people are not being managed well. People are not being listened to. People don't have a proper working environment. I think it's lethargy and lack of seriousness and lack of not taking their job seriously to serve the public, especially the public service. If the public service is an enabler to the private sector to create wealth, if they are unable to serve as they are supposed to serve, even the private sector will be unable to create wealth and employ.
He has truly challenged us as HR professionals to not only upskill in terms of our skill set, becoming experts in that HR space, but also in our mindset. And this means that we need to expand our knowledge in businesses, we need to expand our knowledge in people management and leadership, so that we are able to manage this workforce that we are dealing with. We're having 4 generations at the workplace.